Hello, children. In today's geography class, we will continue with the third lesson, that is the physiography and drainage. And our today's topic is coastal plains and islands. Children, you all know that India has five physical divisions, and out of these five, we have already done Himalayas, North Indian plains, and Peninsular Plateau. So now it is time to do the coastal plains and islands. The coastal plains. Now, what are coastal plains? Coastal plains are characterized by an area of flat, low-lying land that is situated adjacent to a water body, often a sea or an ocean. We should also remember that a coastal plain always is separated from the interior of the larger landmass by the unique features. Like here we have the Ghat region in India. Children, you all know that India has a very vast coastline. It is almost 7,500 kilometers. We are surrounded by the Arabian Sea to the west, Bay of Bengal to the east, and the Indian Ocean to the south. The coastal area has a strategic importance. It acts as a natural boundary. The mega cities, Mumbai, Chennai, are all coastal cities. The coastal plains are divided into two types, that is the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. We will be doing the western coastal plains first. Children, we start with the western coastal plains. It stretches from Run of Kutch in the north to Kerala, or rather Kanyakumari, in the south. It is the area between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. They extend from Gujarat in the north to Kerala in the south. It is a narrow plain whose width varies from 50 to 80 kilometers. It has rocky coast. The region has abrupt slope. So what happens? The river here, they flow swiftly and they form estuaries. The western coastal plains are smaller than the eastern coastal plains. We study more about the western coastal plains. They are divided into four parts, namely the Kathiawar coast, Konkan coast, Kannada coast, and Kanyakumari coast. Now, the Kathiawar coast that covers the Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Cambay lying in Gujarat is also known as the Gujarat coast. Then, if we move southwards, in the state of Maharashtra and Goa, the coastline is called Konkan coast. The Karnataka coast is known as the Kannada coast, and the coastal area of Kerala is known as the Malabar coast. This region, the whole of western coastal plain, is a tourist attraction due to a number of beaches, lagoons, backwaters, be it the backwaters of Kerala or the lovely beaches of Goa. We move to the eastern coastal plains. As you can see here, the eastern coastal plains, they lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. It lies between, as I said, the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal and stretches from West Bengal in the north to Tamil Nadu in the south. The width of this plain varies between 100 to 130 kilometers. That means it is broader than the western coast. It is formed due to the depositional work of rivers. This region has gentle slope. So what will happen to the rivers? As the region has gentle slope, the rivers here will deposit the sediments and create deltas. This region does not have many tourist attractions. The eastern coastal plain is divided into three parts, that is the Utkal coast, the Andhra coast and the Coromandel coast. The coastal area of Orissa is known as the Utkal coast. The one of Andhra is known as Andhra coast, and the coastal area of Tamil Nadu is the Coromandel coast. With this, we complete the coastal plains. Now we move to the next physiographic division. The next physiographic division is the islands. Since India is surrounded by water on three sides, we know even the islands are considered to be a part of India. The islands in the Arabian Sea, they are the Lakshadweep Islands, and the islands in the Bay of Bengal, that is the Andaman and Nicobar, are a part of Indian territory. We begin with Lakshadweep Islands. Lakshadweep Islands are made up of coral reefs. The name Lakshadweep in Sanskrit means 1 lakh islands, but Lakshadweep does not, we cannot see 1 lakh island here. There are 36 atolls and coral reefs, but out of which only some are inhabited. That means only on some there is human inhabitation. They are small in extent and its capital is Kavarati. It is India's smallest union territory and can be reached from Kozhikode or Kochi ports of India. The last subtopic for us today is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are the Bay of Bengal Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Island is a union territory of India and it comprises of 572 islands, out of which only 37 are inhabited. That means human settlement is found only on 37 islands. The Andaman Islands are separated from Nicobar Island by the 10-degree channel. Here let me tell you one thing, children, that when the Britishers were ruling over India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands were famous for sending the prisoners for exile. These are volcanic islands and they consist of large hills. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Islands is Port Blair. Barren Island, the only active volcano in India, lies here. Children, I hope you all have understood the lesson well. And now it's time for us to have a quick recap of all the divisions that you have studied.